Hello viewers, welcome to Coding Search, the next era of learning. Today in this video I am going to install the Java 19. So open any browser. I'm opening the Chrome browser. You can open any browser and search Java Oracle. So here you can see the first link, that is Java software of Oracle India. And now click on the Java downloads. Here you can go downward and here you will find Java 19, and it is available for different operating system like for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. I'm going to install the Java 19 for Windows. So click on Windows and here you can see there are three options. I'm going to click on x64 installer and click on this link. Now start download. It will take some time, so wait. The size is 158.91 MB. My internet is slow little bit today. That's why it is taking longer time. So I am going to pause this video for a while. I'll come after the download completes. So see you after some time. So friends, download completes now. So you can open it or just double click on the downloaded file in your download folder. So I'm opening this file. It will ask for the permission. Just allow by clicking on yes. So the installation starts. Click on next button. It is going to install in C directory program files folder, and JDK19 you can see that is going to be installed. Click on next. And now the installation completes. Click on close button. So you can go and see C in the C directory, and then in program files, and in program files you can see here the Java that is installed. Open the Java. Here you can see the JDK19 is installed, and within JDK19 there is a bin directory. All these files are in the bin directory, and two important files you can see. One is Java, another one is Java C. These two are very important files for running our program. Now go to the system setting, right click on the PC and click on properties. Here in the right pane you will find advanced system setting. Click on the advanced system setting, and in the dialog box you will find the environment variables. Click on environment variables, and in the system setting or the system variables, click on path. Here you have to set the path of the Java file that is in the bin directory. So go to the bin directory that is in C, and then program files. Here you will find Java, and just click over here, and you can right click and copy the path, and now select the path in the system variable and then click at edit, and here click on new and just paste it over here, that is C program files Java JDK 19 and then slash bin. I'm giving the path till the bin directory and just press OK. And now again you have to give the Java home path directory. So now in the system variable click on new, and variable name just give Java underscore home, and in the variable value just paste. But here you have to remove the path of bin. You have to give the path of the JDK directive only. So up to JDK 19, I'm giving here the path and click OK everywhere. And now open the CMD command prompt and type here Java C. So it's running. Now you can take the version of the Java installed. So write Java space hyphen hyphen version. So you can see here the Java 19.0.1 is installed, and you can check the version of Java C also. Java C hyphen hyphen version. So Java C version is also the 19.0.1. So we have successfully installed the Java. Now we can write our Java program on any text editor and we can run over here. So in next video I'll write a simple program and will show you how to run the program or to compile the program. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.